As I make my way over to class, I'm excited to see if I'll pass, but I see that teacher, favorite Jimmy Neutron over me. You should know that I'm the nerdiest kid. I'm not a hooligan, I'm a respectable bit. And still, you give me an F on my assignment, I see, so you plan to sabotage me? Go ahead and give me an F if you are able. I see your passion of teaching is a fable. Wanna fail me, you believe that I'm a failure? It doesn't matter cause I'm turning in my paper. You're not gonna win, I'll call the principal. Just get my papers right, it's that simple. If I have no future then tell me please how I finish my finals with ease. Oh, I am pretty smart, very, very smart, super duper smart, an A+ student. I am pretty smart, very, very smart, super duper smart. You always tell me I have no future for myself, and then I won't amount to anything like Jimmy will. But when you look at my grades, you're the only one who gives me an F every time. I think the principal should hear about this. Say bye to your job, bitch. This is where I read. This is where I learn. It doesn't matter, it's my education I'm willing to earn. But no matter how you grade me, take my notebook and then see. I did every question with no discrepancy at all. Go ahead and give me an F if you are able. I see your passion of teaching is a fable. Wanna fail when you believe that I'm a failure? It doesn't matter cause I'm turning in my paper. I know you want my talent to disappear. Everything I'm telling you, it's why it's here. I am the nerdy kid, I am the fatso, I am the genius guy. I am pretty smart, very, very smart, super duper smart, an A+ student. I am pretty smart, very, very smart, super duper smart. Guess it makes me smarter than you.